Ever had problems where the AirPods gets connected, but they're not recognizing your iPhone after being removed from the case? You're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you some actual fixes for this. It usually happens due to connection glitches on the AirPods, firmware issues, or hardware glitches. So try out these troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. Solution 1. Reset your AirPods. Put your AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Then open the lid again and leave it open. Press and hold the button on the back for about 15 seconds. The light will flash red, then white. That means reset is complete. If your AirPod models have a touch response feature instead of a button, simply double tap the front part of the AirPods charging case a few times. Keep tapping until the light will flash red, then white, and that will complete the reset. Now simply reconnect your AirPods. Solution 2. Update iOS. Backdated iOS versions can also cause such issues. To fix this, open Settings, tap General, and select Software Update. If any updates are available, just download and install them. Updates come with bug fixes and can resolve your problems. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Grab your iPhone, open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After you have successfully reset your network settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Now, in case the problem is still persisting, I highly recommend you contact Apple support for help. They will be able to help you with this problem if it's related to hardware or some specific software glitch. So folks, that's all there is to it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, then be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more solutions like this. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.